Hello! Hello uli sa inyo. Nagkasakitan lola ninyo. Kaya after kumanggaling ng ospital, mga ilang days kami dun. 3 days. After nun, nagpahinga pa ako ilang days. Kasi nga ako ay feeling ko tinatrangkaso ako, malala yung sipon ko, malala yung migraine ko. Every time na mag-check ako ng temp ko, walang lagnat, no? Ayan, kaya lutang ang ulo. Mahirap mag-focus mag-read. Kaya minabuti ko na lang magpahinga. So, kamusta kayo uli? Aries to, no? Reading natin para sa iyo ay for the 4th week. Imagine, kumurap lang ako, 4th week na, no? Yun ang kabilis. So, eto yung gagamitin nating decks. Ayan. Kasi ito yung ko. Ito yung bago ko. At natutuwa ako dito. Ang ganda ng energies na itong mga to, guys. Ayan. So, Aries, pagpasensyaan mo na yung boses ko. Hanggang ngayon ngongo pa rin. Dahil masakit pa rin ang lalamunan. At meron pa rin tayong nasal congestion. This is for the 4th week of January 2024 para sa iyo, January 22 hanggang last na araw ng January. January 22 to 31. Ayan. So let's see, ano ba itong mga energy surrounding you this 4th week of January? Thank you so much doon sa mga nag-express ng inyong get well soon messages, and syempre doon sa mga laging sumusubaybay dito sa ating YouTube channel and sa ating Facebook page. Thank you so much. Grateful ako sa inyong suporta at pag-subscribe, pag-follow. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-like and follow sa aking FB page, don't forget to like and follow. At doon din po kayo magme-message, private message regarding personal reading services. At yung mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Ayan. So, yung mga mahilig magpuna-puna ng mga natin dito, mga ingay, hindi ko ipinagkakailayan, hindi perfecto yung mga video ko. Laging may background noise. And para sabihin ko sa inyo, kung mag-a-attempt pa kayo mag-comment dito para lang, ewan ko, mamuna, sabihin ko na antimano sa inyo na hindi ko na mai-improve yan. No? So, pasintabi sa mga masiselan. In the first place, di naman ako namimilit. Yung mga gustong manood dito, yung mga nakakapagpasensya sa hindi perpektong audio ko, kasi wala naman akong lugar dito sa bahay na walang ingay. Kahit na magkulong ako sa kwarto, ikandado ko yung sarili ko doon. Palaging may background noise. Take note. At yung mga kahul ng aso, hanggat nandito yung mga aso na yan, hindi po mawawala yan. Pasensya na. Okay? Dami sing mga dito mahilig mag-comment ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Wala rin naman kasing point, di ko na rin mai-edit ito Kahit naman i-edit ko yan, ewan ko, may app ba na nakakapagtanggal ng background noise? Ang alam ko, tatanggalin mo lahat yung audio. Based on my experience and my knowledge. Hindi ako expert, by the way. Disclaimer lang. So, ayan. Wow! Live and love joyfully. Release your attachments. Raise your frequency. Ayan. Ito yung mga oracle cards mo for the 4th week. Aries. You have the wood horse, the metal tiger, and the fire pig. Live and love joyfully daw. Oh. Siguro ang feeling ko dito, wag mong pigilan yung wag mong pigilan yung feelings mo, no? So this is a brand new deck para sa akin, kaya hindi ko pa totally nabasa yung ano niyan. So, tingnan natin, para lang makuha natin yung pinaka-essence ng card. Ayan. Okay, basahin ko na lang sa iyo, Aries, para makuha mo yung full message. Live and love joyfully. The wood horse pillar brings messages of love and joy. Young wood is the element of community spirit, and compassion. As a fire sign, fire sign, di ba? You're a fire sign. Sakto yung nakuha nating horse. No? As a fire sign in a peach blossom star, the horse connects us to unbridled joy. Together, the elements of the wood horse transform into an expansive and generous young energy. Heaven is there to guide you to a bright future, while earth stands ready to bring you opportunities. Wow! So, may kaakibat din pala itong opportunities para sa inyo, Aries. So, expect na may mga opportunities na maaaring magbukas para sa inyo ngayong 4th week ng January. This card is a confirmation of the ample presence of love in your life. Yun naman pala. This is not about you expressing your love, kundi pati yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Na ikaw ay nakaka-receive ng love. Your enthusiasm, joy, and zest for life have uplifted the lives of those around you. You look up, who look up to you as a source of inspiration. Your actions are guided by love, and your exuberance in all that you do has put you in the spotlight. Your high-spirited approach to life is an example of how being in the frequency of joy can truly change the world. So, napakaganda pala nung energy mo. Ikaw ay, sabi dito, your energy inspire others. Your energy inspires others, no? So, ikaw ay kumbaga yung energies mo, nakaka-uplift ng mga tao sa paligid mo, no? So, remember that the strongest love originates from the self-love, no? May binabanggit dito about self-love. Be bold and open with the heart to attract more positivity in your life. Savor each joyful moment, no matter how small, and tune in. Sorry, hindi ko mabuksan yung libro. Matigas. Ayan. Tune in to the joys of others by celebrating their joys. Remember these feelings whenever you need to attune to yourself. Whenever you need to attune yourself to the frequency of joy. So, message from heaven about this card is, as wood produces fire, start your actions from a place of compassion to brighten the light within. And your message from earth is, the horse is a symbol of pure joy. Wow! Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Oh, tingnan nyo gaano kaganda yung horse. This is you, Aries. The horse is a symbol of pure joy. Bring love and joy into everything that you do, wherever you are. And yung isa pa, you have the metal tiger. Ayan. So, basahin natin si metal tiger since this is a new deck para sa akin. So, number 27 is the metal tiger. So, metal tiger falls under mind, body, and spirit cards. So, ayan. So, ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong mind, body, and spirit. Basahin ko ha. Metal tiger, release your attachments. Ayan na naman tayo sa mga release. Yung mga dapat nating bitiwan, Aries. Yun yung tinutukoy nito. The metal tiger may be a pillar of conflicting elements with metal on top of the tiger's wood element. Picture an axe chopping down a tree. Your metal Young metal like a sword or a knife can be protective and functional. It can also be destructive and harsh when its power is unchecked. The tiger is fierce, quick, and unpredictable with powerful hidden fire inside it. Fire is the element that can melt and transform metal into something useful. The swiftness of metal combined with the tiger's agility and strength show your potential as a change agent. Oo, kasi ikaw yung element ng fire. And this is a metal tiger. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung energy na maghuhubog doon sa metal. You have the power to change every situation. No, yun yung nafe-feel ko dyan. So, this card appears when you're unsure of your next steps. It's okay to stop where you are, take a break, unplug from the outside world, and get quiet so you can listen to your inner voice. Your guides want you to free yourself from attachments and expectations. So, yun yung ipinapa-let go nila sa iyo this 4th week, Aries. No? Let go or free yourself from attachments and expectations. So, message from heaven here is the element of self-reflection. Observe your thoughts and emotions. Look at the person in the mirror without judgment. Ikaw yun, no? Ikaw yung sinasabi na look at yourself in the mirror without judgment. So, message from the earth, rest and recharge to conserve your energy like the tiger. So, you can move quicker when needed. Kailangan mo rin ng break, pahinga. I-recharge mo yung energies mo. And, your final oracle card is the Wood Horse. That is number 31. Pasensya na, maingay ha. Merong dumaang truck ng basura at yung mga aso ko pag naririnig yan ay galit sila. So, number 31, the Wood Horse. Ay, hindi nabasa ko na ite. Ang hindi ko nabasa is the Fire Pig. O yan, puro fire yung nakuha natin. Ay, isa metal pala. Ayan, you have the Fire Pig. Ang cute. Wood Horse. Ay, saan na ba ako? Fire Pig pala tayo, 24. Yan yung truck ha. Nag-iingay itong mga to. So, abiso. Yan. Raise your frequency. Sabi kasi dito, you already have within you an infinite source of joy. Keep stoking that inner joy by practicing gratitude and opening the heart to receive love. Your spiritual team will always guide you to the direction of joy whenever you find yourself in need of a mood booster. Recognize the many small blessings you receive in your daily life. Identify the little things that make you smile, activities that make your heart sing, and remember the special moments in your life that brought you laughter and happiness. These joy triggers will help you raise your frequency. So, ayan nga yung pinag-uusapan, raising your vibrations, raising your energies, your frequency. Okay? So, the message from heaven about this card says, stay positive to keep stoking your inner flame. The fire within, your bright light will guide you even in the darkest nights. Tapos yung message from earth naman, the pig as a travel star is quick by nature, an indication that you need only to turn on your inner joy to quickly spread your light. Your brightness gets stronger the more you share the light with others. Ayan yung iyong mga oracle messages. Okay, tabi muna natin to. Tignan na natin yung messages from your tarot cards. So, ayan, ito yung aking pocket size na light seer. Actually, dismayado ako dito kasi in-unbox ko to, may dent kagad yung unang card. Naku, bihira akong makakuha ng mga deck na ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung i-email ko pa si publisher para lang dyan, kung ano bang ginagawa nila sa mga damage, kung i-replace ba nila. Kasi syempre, binibili yan eh. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman ng deck, mabuti sana kung mura lang. Meron ka 3 of Wands dito. This is card ng expansion. You are expanding. Itong 4th week. Hindi ko alam if this is related to your career or business or relationships, no? Kasi hindi lang naman career business yung nag-e-expand sa atin eh. O, pwedeng tayo rin mismo, no? Ayan, may expansion dito. Sabihin na natin, this is the realization ng mga plano mo. So, sabihin na natin, Aries, na yung mga pinaplano mo in the past, or kung kailan man yan, ay naiano mo na siya eh. Kumbaga, nai-roll out mo na. So, ang hinihintay mo ngayon is results. No? Ano na yung magiging outcome o resulta nitong mga plano na ginawa mo at naiset mo na siya in motion. Kumbaga, ano na eh, pinapatakbo mo na siya eh, na i-launch mo na siya. Ayan. So, ito, siguro, you are awaiting results, no? Kung successful ba itong mga ginawa mo, naging successful or tama ba yung mga pagpaplano mo, yung roll out, kung ano man itong mga ini-roll out mo. No? Sinabi ko nga, this could mean anything. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa career mo, sa personal, sa business, or relationships. You have 4 of Wands. Pwedeng iba sa inyo dito may homecoming. Hindi ko alam kung uuwi ba kayo ng Pinas, kung ikaw ay nasa abroad, working. Uuwi ka ba sa probinsya, kung may bahay ka doon, no? Meron ditong homecoming. No, pwedeng iba, this is a reunion, a gathering. So, baka may mga reunion kayo, class reunions, etc., family reunions, no? Or kung ikaw ay bumabalik uli sa isang company, kumbaga dati ka nang nag-work doon, tapos nag-work ka sa ibang company, tapos para kang nag-homecoming doon, bumabalik ka uli doon, no? So, ayan. You also have the High Priestess. So, may mga bagay, Aries, na instead na ibulalas mo, hindi kailangan verbal palagi. No, hindi napipick up ko rito. May mga times na mamabuti na lang na i-zip mo na lang yung bunganga mo. No, kaysa magsalita ka. Ito yun. Real talk. May mga bagay na painful para sa iyo right now. Hindi ko alam if you are experiencing a breakup, a heartbreak. Mukhang na broken heart ka about something, nasaktan, no? Either nasaktan yung feelings mo, nasaktan yung ego mo. Eto yon. Or have you experienced betrayal lately? Meron ba nag-betray sa iyo? Yung jowa mo ba? Yung kaibigan mo? Or yung katrabaho mo? Hindi ko alam, no? Pero this is, kasi this is an indication din ng ng merong provider sa iyo, no? May nang disappoint sa iyo, nakit sa iyo, nakasakit sa iyo. Huwag ka muna magpadalos-dalos right now, Aries. Hindi ito yung time na na magiging impulsive ka. Okay? So, for some of you, this is not a sign of impulsiveness. Pwedeng yung iba, meron kayong nagagahol kayo sa oras at yung tipong para kayong naghahabol sa kalendaryo. No? Ayan. Cramming energy. So, pwedeng merong dito, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, Aries, I hope nagustuhan mo tong reading natin kahit ngongo pa ako hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and share. Take care and God bless.